This is a video of this Hunter ceiling fan. This ceiling fan was probably installed in this room in 2007, 2008. And up here, the top blades are brown. So, it's at my grandma's house, and my grandma lost her memory 2 years ago, and she's out of memory care because it's getting worse, and she never lived here again, so that's sad. And Grandma told me to pull these chains gently so the globe doesn't fall out, the fan chains, or the whole ceiling fan, because the ceiling is different. And now I'm going to turn it on. Get over here and that's low speed. It's pretty quiet. It ain't too loud. It's right here. It moves pretty good of air. And it just hums a little bit. That's medium speed. That's high speed. Sorry, this could be a little blurry. Let's wait till it clears out. Camera's not focusing. It's pretty quiet. It ain't too loud. Pretty balanced too. It don't wobble a bit. You can hear the wind, can't you? I would be afraid if it wobbled. Because if it was wobbling, I bet that means blade was a little bit bent. Kind of downward. Now I'm gonna stop blades for you. And I'm gonna show you up here, the motor here. That's the light. And you'll see right up here is the motor, and I'm gonna show you. And also, this is Hunter. See that motor right here? It helps the fan move, and it wasn't wobbling. And now I'm gonna show you right here how you could pull the chain right here. My tablet's about to stop now. Oh, crap.